Stay Grubio Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths. The topic is coordinate geometry exercise 5.5. Question number 5. Orthocenter and centroid of a triangle are A of minus 3, 5 and B of 3, 3 respectively. If C is the circumcenter, and AC is the diameter of this circle, then find the radius of the circle. Okay, here what are the things are given in the question, children? Orthocenter and centroid value is given, and C is represent the circumcenter and AC is the diameter of the circle. In a circle, AC is the diameter, but A is represent orthocenter. Okay, orthocenter we naming it H, centroid we represent G, and circumcenter we represent S. Okay, in a triangle all that orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter everything is present in a triangle. Okay, then AC is the diameter of the circle. We need to find out the radius. This is center. Okay, so here we call it as B. Okay, let us assume B this, and A minus 3, 5. Okay, see, this is orthocenter H. Okay, and okay, orthocenter this. Okay, and centroid, this is represent centroid. Okay, so the centroid is dividing the orthocenter and C is represent circumcenter. Okay, internally in the ratio 2:1. This is given in that book. Okay, so what is given in the book? Centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter internally in the ratio 2:1. This is very important. This is given in the book. 2:1. Okay. Centroid G is dividing orthocenter and the circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. This is M and N. Here we are going to use the section formula for finding the value of C. Okay. After that we need to find out the radius of the circle. This is radius of the circle. Okay. So write the section formula here. The section formula P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here's P of x comma y. Okay, that is B 3, 3 equal to m2 x2. Okay, so this is x1 y1 and C you take it as x2 y2. Okay, substitute here x2 only plus n x1, n value 1, x1 minus 3 divided by m plus n. So 2 plus 1 comma m y2, 2 into y2 plus 1 into y1 5 divided by m plus n, 2 plus 1. 2x2 plus into minus 1 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1 3 comma 2y2 plus 1 into 5 divided by 3. Now you equate the coordinates. Okay. So x with x and y with y coordinates. Equate the coordinates. First take it the x coordinates. 2x2 minus 3 divided by 3 equal to 3. Okay. Cross multiply this. 2x2 minus 3 equal to 3 3s are 9. 2x2 equal to 9. The minus 3 will change other side plus 3. So 2x2 equal to 12. x2 equal to 12 by 2 because multiplications will change other side division. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So therefore x2 equal to 6. Okay. And next y2 values we need to find out. Just equate the y coordinates. 2y2 plus 5 divided by 3 equal to 3. Cross multiply this. 2y2 plus 5 equal to 3 3s are 9. 2y2 equal to 9. The minus 5 will change. Plus 5 will change minus 5. 2y2 equal to 9 minus 5 4. y2 equal to 4 by 2. When we divide this, what we will get, children? 2. y2 equal to 2. So C coordinate, C of x2 comma y2 equal to x2 value 6 comma y2 value 2. 6 comma 2. Next we need to find out the radius. Next we need to find out the radius, children. Before finding the radius, first you find out the length of AC. Okay, you know that radius equal to half of diameter. Okay, so first you find out the length of the diameter. Next you need to find out the radius. Okay, so here we are going to use the distance formula for finding the length. Okay, so diameter AC equal to, here we are going to use the distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Substitute the value here, x2 value 6 minus of 3. Minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 5 the whole square. So 6 minus into minus plus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 5. Here 5 is greater, the greater number sign is negative. Okay, so minus 3 the whole square. So 6 plus 3 what you will get, children? 9. 9 square plus minus 3 the whole square. 9 square what you will get, children? 9 square 81 plus minus 3 the whole square. Minus 3 into minus 3 what you will get? 9. Okay. So minus 3 the whole square will get 9. Now you add this 81 plus 9, what you are getting? 90. Okay. How can you split this, children? 3 into 10. Okay. So here this is the square root. Out of 2 you take it 1. Okay. So 3 root 10. So the diameter equal to 3 root 10, but we need to find out the radius. So radius equal to half of diameter by 2. Okay, here diameter is AC by 2. Here AC value 3 root 10 divided by 2. Now you split this 3 into root 10. How can you split this? 2 5s are Okay, divided by 2. Now we can split this 3 into root 2 into root 5. We can write like this. Root of 2 into 5 we can write root 2 into root 5. When we multiply this we will get the same number only. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so the 2 how can you write children? 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. When we multiply this what you will get? 2. So you replace it. Okay, so instead of the 2 you can write root 2 into root 2. Here the 1 root 2 cancel. What is remaining children? 3 root 5 by root 2. Okay, here also root 5 root 2. So commonly you put it 3 root of 5 by 2 units. So what is the radius children? Radius equal to 3 root of 5 by 2 units. Is it clear? See the next one. ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A of 3, 4, B of minus 2, minus 1 and C of 5, 3. Okay. If G is the centroid and BDCG is a parallelogram, then find the coordinates of the vertex D. Okay. See here. ABC is a triangle. Write the coordinates 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1, 5, 3. Okay, and G is the centroid. And BDCG. Okay, B, join this, D, C, G. BDCG is a parallelogram. So we need to find out the vertex D. This is considered, let us take it as x, y. Okay. Before finding the vertex, we need to find out the centroid first. Okay. After find this, we need to do this. Okay. First write the formula. Centroid equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1 3 plus of x2 minus 2 plus x3 5 divided by 3, comma, y1 4 plus of y2 minus 1 plus y3 3 divided by 3. 3 plus into minus, minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3, comma, 4 plus into minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 by 3. So G equal to, centroid G equal to 3 minus 2, what you will get children? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 by 3, comma, 4 minus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 3. So G equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2, 2. Okay. So the G coordinate is 2, 2. Next we are going to find the D coordinates. Okay. So BDCG is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That is midpoint of this one. Okay, midpoint of DG is equal to midpoint of BC. So this we are going to find. Okay, so what is the formula, children? Midpoint formula. Write the formula first. Midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we are going to use this formula. So here we are going to use midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So midpoint of DG is equal to midpoint of BC. We already told that. Okay. So here you substitute the value DG. Take the D coordinates. Here D coordinates x comma y and G coordinates 2 comma 2. Here B coordinates minus 2 comma minus 1 and C coordinate 5 comma 3. Substitute in the formula x1 plus x2. So x plus 2 by 2 comma y plus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So x plus 2 by 2 comma y plus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. What you will get, children? Plus 3. So 3 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3. What you will get? 2 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay. So what we are getting? 3 by 2 comma 1. Just equate this x plus 2 by 2 comma y plus 2 by 2. Just equate the x coordinates with x and y coordinates with y. Okay. So x plus 2 by 2 is equal to here 3 by 2. So the 2 cancel. X plus 2 equal to 3. X plus 2 equal to 3. Then x equal to 3 plus 2 will change minus 2. So x equal to 3 minus 2, what you will get, children? 1. Okay. Next we need to find out the y coordinates. So y plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Y plus 2 cross multiply this, 2 ones are 2. Then y equal to 2 plus 2 will change other side minus 2. So y equal to 0. So the coordinates of the vertex, D of x comma y. So here x value 1, y value 0. So the vertex of D is 1 comma 0. Is it clear, children? Next question, if 3 by 2 comma 5, 7 comma minus 9 by 2 and 13 by 2 comma minus 13 by 2 are midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, then find the centroid of the triangle. Here the midpoint of the sides of a triangle is given. Usually vertices will be given. But in this question, midpoint is given. Okay. Here the midpoint 3 by 2, comma 5, and here 7, comma minus 9 by 2, then 13 by 2, comma minus 13 by 2. So we need to find out the centroid. Centroid we need to find. Okay, children, we know that the centroid of the triangle, the centroid of the triangle obtained by joining the midpoint of the sides of a triangle is same as the centroid of the original triangle. So what they are saying, the centroid of the triangle obtained by joining the midpoint of the sides of a triangle is same as the centroid of the original triangle. So as usual you can find it. Okay. So what is the formula for finding the centroid? G of x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute here x1 3 by 2 plus x2 7 plus x3 13 by 2 divided by 3 comma y1 5 plus of y2 minus 9 by 2 plus of minus 13 by 2 divided by 3. Okay. See here 3 by 2, 13 by 2, here the denominator is 1. So take the LCM here, 2 is a common denominator. So here 3 you write as it is, plus here denominator is 1. So we need to multiply with the 2 only, it becomes 2. Okay. So 7 2s are 14. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. Okay. Then plus 13 divided by 3 comma here also denominator 2 is there, take LCM 2. Okay. Here denominator is 1, so multiply with the 2. 2 5s are 10 plus into minus minus 9 plus into minus minus 13 because here already denominator is 2. So write the numerator as it is divided by 3. Now we add this 3 plus 14 17, 17 plus 30 30. Okay. So 30 by 2 divided by 3 comma here these two numbers have same sign. So minus 9 minus 13 you will get minus 22, then plus 10 what you will get minus 12, minus 12 by 2 divided by 3. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 15 2s are 30, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 15 by 3 comma minus 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. So centroid equal to 5 comma minus 2. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.